you know.
Hey! Kopachon! Easy! Nemo!
Eh, mommy.
How many cham? You don't have me cham. I'm a master. I'm going to wear the other. Mom. You welcome, my
You now have a graduate.
Get it.
Graduate, oh.
My graduate. Beautiful graduate. You're welcome.
Mommy, look at you. You're looking so fresh, oh.
Don't say that.
This village is treating you nice.
Which village? Don't patronize me. I know you just want me to feel good, but don't say that, please.
Mommy,
say anything, but not this one. Which village? Village that has dropped my swag. Eh? This miserable village. Imagine a retired civil servant like me. I am now in this village, rubbing shoulders with Beatrice and her likes.
Are you women still on this?
My daughter, their problem is jealousy. Eh? Father Anthony wants me to be their chairperson. That is the problem. They felt otherwise.
Why?
What else? If not that, Father, he just came back to the village. And we've been here 20 years, 30 years, 50 years. It's even okay, I know I don't belong here.
But you don't have to be in this village for so long now. I'm very sure Father Anthony saw some good quality in you that they don't possess.
Excellent qualities. That was what he saw. Just jealousy. I know they are jealous.
Why, Dikeh?
Okay, honestly, your father really dealt with me. Dropping my swag, my steez. Was the more
composure.
Everything in one.
Why, Dikeh? How about wine? Mommy, let's take mommy. I
know. Welcome, my love.
Thank you, mommy.
Okay, the kilo in this box.
Nothing, no.
Let's go.
Only clothes.
I'll be kilo. I'll be kilo. Hey! No, come inside.
Hey! Mommy! Anything in the house? Everything. I have missed your meal. I missed you. Hell! I want vegetable soup, hot one.
Mama, I hope you like it.
I love it. It's been long.
I know.
You know how much I love this combination.
I know. Don't worry. This evening I'll prepare your favorite soup, onubu soup. It's correct ogili.
Hey! Never! I love this combination.
Carol?
Daddy.
You are here?
Yes, Daddy, good afternoon. I didn't know you're around.
I'm around. So, how is your program?
Well, I'm done.
Hey, great. I'm happy for you. I'm happy.
How is your health?
Well, as you can see, I'm still alive. So I thank God. Caroline, where is my food? I want to eat and take my afternoon drugs.
Hey. Wait now. Let my daughter finish eating now.
Go and give me my food. I want to take my drugs and then observe my siesta, as the doctor advised me. So, Caroline, go and give me my food.
Hey!
Can I have my food?
Hey! You will have it!
Give me my food.
Ah!
Go and get me my food.
Mariko, enjoy.
Caroline, do quick and give me.
What is your problem?
Caroline, go inside. Bring my food.
Osa, bring my food for me. Ay.
What? I don't like food. My daughter.
You and mommy all the time.
Don't mind her. Why did you just sneak into the house without asking after her?
I don't know.
At least you prepared a nice one for you.
Combination. Yeah, I love you.
Yeah, I know you love it.
How happy I am for your daughter, Ruby. That is your daughter, your beautiful Ruby. That is replica. I was so happy. I'm so
Excuse
happy
me,
with that.
I don't understand. Which one is daddy's replica? Is it not obvious that Ruby took after me?
Everybody in this world, up, down, inside the ground, everywhere around the world, everybody knows that Ruby took after her father. And I don't care. She's her father in everything.
Chinyere, Biko, let's not argue. Why am I even arguing with you? One came from my own daughter. Ruby that is like mother, like daughter. Can you the kind of policies can I And the RCC and the APP. Biko kwa. Enokwa. Biko thank us.
My sister. Now that your daughter is done with her university education and NYSC, we should talk about the most important thing. Augustine,
the most important thing. Which is what?
About Ebuka, my son, and your daughter.
Ebuka, your son, and my daughter Ruby. Yes. What about them?
My son Ebuka has declared interest in marrying your daughter Ruby.
Buchapo! I don't understand. Oh, really? Ebuka, your son, was actually waiting for me to train my daughter in the university before he will indicate his interest. Eh? Hey! I don't want to Chinyere.
What is wrong in my son Ebuka marrying Ruby? Is he not a man? Is he not handsome? Is he not he doesn't have money? Eh? Oh, you feel shallow.
Chinyere, my friend, everything is wrong. Everything is wrong.
Where is wrong?
Everything is wrong. Everything is wrong. Both of you are just dreaming about your destiny. You're dreaming above your destiny. Nyambia no libo no bala wanza. Alibo ya ngunu ntisibu. Kene Ebuka nkine kwuru maka ya.
Ya nwa m Ebuka.
Kambia gba break agba na
Ebuka wanza.
Your son. Kambia kwa
Kambia. Biawa ana m ege.
Adam ni bubu na also. If you want to end the friendship, I will end the friendship and we'll turn it to fight.
Nguzia.
When I get an argument.
Ngahu. Friendship na ge.
Go and join your son at secondary school. Illiterate. Now I know my graduate. No nobody I biko do. Dey bada kapanya. Enokwa. My side I ka wan tabari. Mariku. E ko na no. Unu di egwu. Both of you are dreamers. Chineke me. Chinyere on ki bra bayale. Bupia. For your information, my daughter, my graduate, my Ruby, Omalecha Nwam, Odala Mmecha, we marry a car owner. Bam. She will marry a car owner that will carry her in front of his car. In fact, she will always be at the car owner. Ona Anyalia, I cannot marry it here. Not your illiterate son.
Carlos, go.
Lillian, I'm coming to Asaba now. For job hunt now, what else? Person guys come look for job now, what do you expect? Abi, you want job to come and look for you at home? No, no. You're very silly. When did I tell you that? No, I'm just SSS. Single, still searching. Oh, please. You know I broke up with him now. And why do you keep bringing him up in all of our conversations? Like, why? Abegi, I'm done with him. Timmy is my ex.
Now, I think we should support our children, not this. Ebuka and Ruby will make it perfect. A wonderful couple.
Chinyere, Ebuka will not marry my daughter Ruby. Or in another issue with understanding things. Or whatever Balonyana. Besides, he's not the kind of man I want for my daughter.
Ebuka did not stop at primary school. While serving his master, Chief Bennett enrolled him in an adult education.
Yeah, night school now. Akwabani. Hey! Chinyere, Ibu is mad. Honestly, you're not a good person. So you want my beautiful, educated daughter to end up with such a man? Akwabani.
You should have allowed me to finish.
It's okay, stop saying anything.
Carol, Ebuka wrote to Wayekan Jump and he came out in flying colors and proceeded to the university after he settled.
Hey! Wow! Wow! Hey! Hey! Chinyere, clean your mouth. Feature where?
Is that it, Mama?
Ojuleju. Yes, now. Lies. I seen that again. Feature.
Lies how? Lies how now?
You just lied that Ebuka went to the university.
Ebuka went to the university. He graduated with second class in pharmacology.
Hey, Chijere, you're not smart. Hey, see the way she said it. Second class. Do you know the meaning of second class?
In pharmacology.
Ifa Mahiko. Chijere, I don't know you with lies, so, but for the very first time, for you, Giwaka. So you can lie like this. Ebuka, that went to do boy in Onitsha at Owogo. As soon as he finished his primary 6, Ebuka came back another Ebuka. How manage? From where to where? Or some
lie. The only thing I know in life that is constant is change.
No problem. Use that change to prepare fried rice and chicken. You need it to and Ebuka your son. Hey!
Do this.
Yeah, I'm telling you the truth. By God's grace, our business is scattered all over the world. You know, We are the best. Our drugs is from India, one of the best in the country. We will not give you nonsense. I am telling you by special grace of Almighty God, our company is scattered all over the country. Yes. We are really known for good and quality drugs. Yes. Our pharmacy is well recognized and well known, and I'm a Christian, so I cannot lie to you. There is no way I'll give you fake drugs. Okay, just send your details and all that. My boys will package your consignment and get it to your location. Just trust me, we're not playing, trust me. It's okay, yeah. You're coming. Okay, what took you so long?
Sorry, sir. I was actually waiting for him to do the transaction.
You were waiting for him to do the transaction, and you wasted my time.
There was a lot of customer in his shop. He even asked me to come back to our shop, then later come to his own shop, but I said no, I'll wait for him to do the transaction.
If you had come back, I would have sent you back to him. Just package yourself and go to the warehouse. I will tell you what to do.
Okay, sir.
Hey! Ewo! Amalicham! No! Hey!
Welcome.
Thank you. Hey! No. How are you?
I'm fine. How was your meeting?
It was fine. I hope you've had something to eat.
Yes, I have.
My dear, guess what?
Tell me, what is it?
Just guess more.
Mommy, I can't guess. What happened?
My daughter, there is nothing Caroline will not see in this village. Just because your father brought me back here, these women think we are of the same class.
Who did you quarrel with this time around?
I did not quarrel with anybody. But what happened is bigger than quarrel. Is it not Chinyere? Omalicham? Chinyere opened her mouth wide and vomited rubbish.
Chinyere. The one you people call Chinyenwa.
Yes! You know that Chinyenwa was, that name was given to her. One time a certain women group came to teach us cultural dance steps. The time we welcomed our bishop into the parish, that was when they gave her that name.
Okay, so what happened?
Wonder shall never end. Chinyere said, Caro, my good friend, my son Ebuka has declared his intention to make your daughter Ruby his wife. Inegekwa. Yeah!
Ebuka, her only child.
Ebuka is the volleyball, the same Ebuka that you know, that went to serve Mr. Bennett when he left primary 6. That same Ebuka wants to marry my beautiful graduate, the most beautiful girl in this village. Yes, now. In fact, laugh. You're supposed to laugh. They are dreaming above their destiny, and I gave it to her today. Trying to hang your bag where your hand did not reach. Of all the girls, all these local girls here, all my well-tushed, in fact, well-made, beautiful daughter, Ebuki iti volleyball, iti pataka wants to marry. If any man are there.
But, Mommy, I don't think there's anything wrong with what she did, though. I'm a lady ripe for marriage, and it's okay for any man to tell me how they feel about me.
It's okay. But when the ones that are not meant for you, when they come, place them where they belong. Eh? It's Ibolibo, Ebuka. Hey, Namara, eh? Chinyere nkwa God so. Carry my friend.
Ma! Oh my, I said it's not around. Mama, you cannot just barge into the
Don't I have eyes? Who asked you to talk?
I'm just saying it's not right for you to just enter the office like that now.
Why?
He's not around.
Who is he?
Ma, he's not around.
Who is he?
My boss.
My fiancé. And I have eyes, don't I?
I know, Ma, but he's not
Then
around.
get out of this place immediately. Do you want to lose your job? Get out!
Ma,
I said get out.
Ma, please, this thing is not proper. Ma, he's not around, please. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, your fiancée has been here, and I told her you are not around, but she refused to leave. Okay. No, sir. I didn't insult her. I just told her you went for a business meeting. Okay, sir. Okay. Alright.
So you mean Ebuka is now a graduate?
Graduate. Did you believe that? Eh? How possible is it? Let me ask you. Have you ever heard that Ebuka got enrolled in a night school?
Mommy, you don't expect them to be singing a song to any ear that cares to listen. You are learned, you should know better.
Forget those people just trying to claim what they are not. Forget them.
Carolina, I go on.
To me, it took a month to rubber. And Manokwa and the man non lepo. Let me tell you, Ebuka must not enter this compound, let alone coming to ask your hand in marriage. Because I will empty a full bucket of water on his head.
No. You don't have to say that.
How do you mean? Don't sound like her. What I'm telling you. What is it?
Caroline, are you going to marry your daughter? Eh?
Who invited you in this conversation now? Who invited you? Eh?
Hey!
You go leave us.
Come, let me tell you. What you are sowing in these children, you will reap it 100-fold. Oh. Huh?
That's your business. I've said what I said. No church rat will come here to marry my daughter. It's not possible. Anybody that must marry my daughter must be rich. I've said it. I hope you're hearing me.
I'll still marry for love.
Just put that place. Which love? Love of Kaneu. Love of Sinara. Love of Makwoko. So I trained you in the university for you to talk about love. Which love? Eh? The only person that will marry you is a rich man. That person must be rich. Do you want to be like me? Please don't say that again. Take a look at me. Eh? Simply because I got married to a civil servant.
Eh? See? Will you shut up?
Shut up, again. Not while up and down. This minute I'm hungry. The next minute, the only thing remaining is for me to wear him pampers. Listen, if you don't know how to magnet and attract a rich man, I'll teach you. What is that? Please go inside. Go inside, Biko. Go inside now, or you go outside. Choose one.
My daughter, don't allow her to mislead you, okay? With all this her fetish advice, I don't know what I would call it.
Because live here. Fetish. Listen. Listen to me. You know your father is frustrated. He's not frustrated. Stop this, Bobby. I'm your mother. I can't deceive you. You see, man, if wishes were horses, you think I'll marry him? I will not marry him. Kile can you me? You need you walk up on need Diego. Money talks. Can you see, just be like me. Be on the same page with me. And all shall be well. I can't continue suffering, you know. Ha! Do you see yourself at all? How beautiful you are. If what shape, what I can. One bubbles and labels man. Then I nonsense. Don't say it again. Don't want to get angry.
Hello, babe. I'm at your office. Meaning what exactly? Don't get me angry. No, you're beginning to infuriate me. You know what? Never mind. I know just what to do. Babe, you are here.
You didn't tell me you were coming over. Why?
That's because you got me infuriated at the office. So I decided to come back home to wait for you.
And why did you run out of the office in fury?
Simply because you refused me at your office. Baby, I'm honey. Make love to me.
I am just coming back, okay? Why don't you go make something for me to eat while I freshen up? Then I'll come downstairs and see you.
Really? Why is it always about you, and you all the time? What about me? Listen, you want food and I want sex, okay? We can work something out. Let's do this, then we'll talk about food later.
Then let me freshen up, eat, have strength.
No, baby. You don't need to freshen up. We can just...
I am dirty. I can't do this. I'm just coming
I'm the one involved here. And I'm not saying you're dirty, am I? You're not dirty. So let's just do this. It won't take...
I need to freshen up, eat, then have the strength to touch you. What? I know you don't.
Yeah. You don't have to.
Hold on.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's never enough for you. You're a sex maniac.
Is that
You
it?
love...
That's a good thing. Yes, I do have sex.
Babe, I need to freshen up.
Agreed. But come on, we need to do this. Then you can freshen up
Come
and then you can eat. No arguments, please.
Come south.
No!
Wait.
Don't do it.
Let me freshen up.
No, you're
God.
not going.
Caroline, you are more shameless than I thought.
Roland, you called me shameless again. Ozo, you called me shameless, Roland.
Look at you. An old woman that doesn't want to accept the fact that she's growing old. Hey! You don't want to grow old. You have phobia for old age. But let me tell you, just look at you. You are still aging.
I don't understand. What is your problem with this? You're aging. You don't want to grow old. Why are you so much in a haste to drag me into the league of your old people? Are you the one that made me old?
Oh,
eh?
Nature made you old.
Nature made me old. Yes. Roland, let me ask you. Are my mates not in Lagos? Hustling and bustling. You brought me back here. You brought me back here to frustrate me, right?
You are free to go back to Lagos and continue with your lewd lifestyle.
What did I hear you say?
Oh.
Are you accusing me of infidelity?
Caroline, you think I don't know? Oh, swear and die. I brought you back from Lagos to this village. Yet you continued.
Roland, listen. I cannot stand here and watch you accuse me of what I know nothing about. If what you just said, you can prove it. You will prove it.
I will prove it anywhere. Anywhere. Go and thank your stars. Is it because I still keep you under my roof?
You said you prove it, right?
Yes.
Get ready to prove it. You can prove it.
I will. Look at her. Where are you going? Where are you running to? You are running away. Come here. It's not your time to run, oh. It's not your time to run. Your children will know about this. They will know the kind of mother they have. Look at you. Just look at her. You can't sit at a place. Pam, 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 pam.
Oh, oh, I'm tired. Woo. Hey, hello. What is this? Nah, I'm gonna put on money here, man. Shit.
What's that for?
What for? Eh?
No, I don't get. Like, seriously? You're tired? After just 2 rounds?
2 rounds. On a Jukwa I can't give after just 2 rounds. What do you mean by that? I mean, I'm kind of famished. I'm hungry.
You're kind of famished. You're not really famished. And we've just had 2 rounds. And you know I'm never satisfied with 2 rounds.
I need to eat before anything. You don't have... See. Just,
baby.
Just stop.
Stop what exactly? I know you say what needs. Tell me.
I want to eat. You can't continue doing this. Please. Ah, shit. Oh, that thing you're doing is
what? Is what?
Oh.
Is what exactly? I know you like it.
It's gonna roast me again. Ah!
Babe.
Yeah.
I'm leaving.
Okay. Greet your people for me.
Is that all you say? I'm talking to you.
You said you're leaving, I said. Okay? My regards to your people. What else do you want to say?
Is that it?
As you can see, I am busy and I actually want to get busy right now, okay? Yeah.
When I'm talking to you, you pay attention to me.
What is wrong with you?
Now I should be asking you, what is wrong with you? What's working you up?
Jennifer, can you define this relationship?
Pretty simple. We're engaged to be married.
Really?
Yes.
And he can cook.
Where's that coming from? I thought we've grown past that phase.
Really?
Yes.
You thought we've grown past cooking for your man, your family to eat? Where are you driving at?
Babe, I can't cook. I don't even cook for myself. So stop emphasizing and just talking about this cooking shit. I don't care. Stop it. You already know I can't cook. So what's this?
So why do you always run into me whenever your thing is crashing? Why do you always walk around me?
That's because you are my man.
You can cook. You can't do anything. You can't do any house chores. You can't even wash. You can't even prepare my meal.
Why are you complaining? Why are you complaining exactly?
Jennifer, as you can see, I actually want to get busy. I want to prepare something for myself to eat.
And what's that supposed to mean?
You see, what you're doing right now is getting me crazy. I've actually gotten it up to here. Okay? I am done with this rubbish. Just go. Please. Hey!
I love you. Bye. Don't miss me too much.
Who is this? Who the hell is this? Huh? Damn. Wow. Some people do. Maybe Funyala.
Sap. I feel absolutely nothing for him. I'm just using him to fill the vacuum. The vacuum my London boyfriend's absence created. Oh, Donald, I miss you. I miss you so much. My Donald, my one true love. The true definition of my existence. Immediately he comes back, I'll just trash her. Oh, I know it will feel heartbroken, but that doesn't matter. Because then I will be living the life with my boyfriend and out. Oh, I miss you, Donald. Oh, I wish you were here with me. I love you. I love you so much, Donald. I can't wait to have you back. You know.
Mama, good evening. Mama, I know what the problem is. I'm going to see you when I'm back from my trip. I'll come. Hey, Mama, what are you saying? What do you want? Mama, no, you're not. Don't worry, I'll do just that. I'll bring her for you to see soon. Mama, what is it now? Stop thinking. I'll do what you want. I'm going to give you grandchildren, plenty. Okay? Mama, I'll find a wife for myself, please. Mama, please, I'm going somewhere now. I'll call you when I'm back. Okay? I'll call you. Bye-bye.
Where to, baby?
I have to go home, just relax, okay? I'll see you when tomorrow.
Don't go. Come on, babe. It's late and it's dangerous out there. Besides, I want to feel the whole of you in the inside of me. Come.
Come on, Sam.
Morning.
You are awake already.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. How was your night?
And yours?
I did not sleep at all.
Why?
I don't know. I was thinking all through about my life generally and how I ended up in this village.
So that's why you did not sleep? Eh? Mommy. Hey. I thought you would like it here. The peace and calm in this village. It's even what you need in this your old.
Ruby, you've started again. You and this old age. Okay, this is Bikon. How old am I? Eh?
Let's not go there. Please, I'll be leaving for Asaba for job hunt.
God bless you. I was about telling you this. Eh? It's better you leave before one idiot comes here to ask for your hand in marriage again.
Hey, Mommy. Your hate for Akabe Dochi people, eh? I never see.
I hate them. I hate them with passion. What am I doing here?
But it's your village and your husband's village.
I prefer Lagos than here. I'm a city woman, can't you see? Eh?
You know, it still surprises me how you prefer the hustling and bustling in Lagos to the serenity in this village. Besides, you and Daddy are aging graciously, and this is what you need in your old.
Ubi, let it sink. I am not old.
Mommy, look. The earlier you accept that you're getting old, or you're even old, the better. Accept it. Huh? Baby. Baby.
Babe, are you using the restroom? Baby. Hey. Babe. Hello. Where did you go to?
By the way, I am not worried. You can say anything you want to say. As far as I'm concerned, Lagos is better than here. So tell me, I heard Asaba is a big city too.
Yeah, Asaba is beautiful.
Wow. Okay. Thank God. So as soon as you get a job, I'll be moving to Asaba straight.
And leave your husband in the village for who?
Which husband? Who is talking about husband? Hey, I don't understand. A man that nags like a woman, a handsome husband.
Please,
No, nothing like please. Oh. Maybe you've not noticed. Your father is my co-wife. Hey, I no longer see him as my husband though. One, let me tell you, in all thy getting, one, get wisdom. Never you ever pray to marry a man like your father. If not, you'll be doomed for life. You know, mommy.
Brush your teeth. You're outside. Don't forget. You also have ears.
What is there to hide? I can even scream at the top of my voice. Of course now, everybody knows that your father is a woman. It's just that God mistakenly gave him a male genital organ. What is more?
Eh? So is this your constant nagging that triggered daddy's BP? Eh? What is it that he even did to you? What did he do to you?
You want to know, right? He brought me back from Lagos to this miserable village.
Okay, no problem. You know what? You can go back to Lagos. Go back to Lagos and allow this man have his sanity. Since you prefer the chaos there, go now.
I'm not going back to Lagos again. I prefer Asaba.
Eh? How?
Just get a house first, then I'll tell you how.
Mommy, you are not coming to live with me in Asaba. You're going to stay here with your husband.
Are you playing?
I'm not, oh. You will stay here with your husband.
When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it.
There's no bridge. There's no bridge. The bridge is here.
Hello, Jenny. Yeah, I want us to go see my mom before I travel.
Why are you so much in a hurry? You said you're embarking on a business trip. Go and come back. I'll be here waiting. I'm not running.
Why are you talking like this? I see you don't have atom of feelings for me.
Baby, you know that's not true. I love you. You are my word, the true meaning of my existence.
Then marry me. Then let's do this. Marry me.
Well, we will get married. Just go on your trip and come back. I mean, we'll have all the time on the world to plan our wedding.
This is what you say all the time. Meanwhile, we're still stuck in one place.
Well, babe, should I come over? Should I have a sleepover? Come on, babe. I've already told you, sweetness lies in between your thighs.
Jenny, be serious for once, please.
Listen, baby. Marriage comes with a lot of responsibility. It's not something you handle with kids, though.
Why are you doing this? Okay, let me ask you something. Why do you have phobia for marriage? Is there anything wrong? Is there something you're not telling me? Because this is what every girl wants to jump at. Is there something you're not telling me?
Well, baby, I am not every girl. I am Jennifer, the daughter of a multi-billion-dollar politician.
Are you seeing someone that you don't want to tell me of?
Of course not. There is no guy in the big picture.
Then let's do this. Let's get married. Let's just do this once and for all. Why?
No. Come on. No. Oh, please. Babe, you can go freshen up and
Whenever I talk about marriage, this is what you always do. You just hang up on me.
Caro, yeah. Caro, onye nsogbu. Caro, nwanyị nsogbu. Caro, onye nsogbu. Caro, nwanyị nsogbu. Anywhere she enters, she dey cause a wahala. Even for her
Daddy,
family, she
my daughter,
I'm going to Asaba.
you are traveling to Asaba, and you never deemed it fit to tell me, your father, you didn't inform me before now. Why?
Daddy, don't overthink it. I forgot.
You forgot, but you didn't forget to tell your mother that you are traveling to Asaba, did you?
Why are you calling my name now? Okuibido.
Are you both still like this? Eh? When will you stop getting on each other's throat? I thought by this time you'd have started letting go of this baggage.
He started it.
You
Every
want
time,
to start
Caro,
again?
Caro.
What is wrong with you? What is your problem? Always you just want to make... I'm warning you.
Biko, come and start going. Oh, I don't like this night travel. Once you get there, make sure you call me. Oh?
Hey, take care of yourself.
Is this old age or what?
Oh, I don't know. You think you are young too? Are you not old?
That thing you're looking for, I'll give it to you soon.
Me?
You want
to do what?
You think you're still principal? You used to be principal, not anymore.
You think you are Caroline? You used to be Caro and lie. What do you want to do? What's wrong?
Don't worry.
Oh, you want to beat me? In my own house? Hey! Caroline. Look, she has gradually turned my children against me. Their father. Caro.
Wow. Are my eyes pranking me or what?
Ebuka,
Ruby!
this is you.
Yes, this is Chukwu Ebuka. For real.
You?
Yes.
Hey!
Come on. Come inside the car.
My bag.
Okay, hold on, let me help you. Wow. Wow.
Hey!
Wow. See Rubio. How are you?
Ebuka,
Yeah.
I am still in shock.
Why?
Is this you?
It's me.
Hey!
Ebuka that you know.
Ebuka! Do you know that if I don't know you very well, I will say this is not you.
For real.
I would not have recognized you.
Oh.
Hey! See Ebuka, my brother!
Ruby, I am not your brother, mind you.
Ebuka, bye.
Yes, I am not your brother. You know I can marry you and marry you very well. Eh? Okay, fine. We are from the same community, from the same place, but not same kindred. I can actually get married to you and marry you well. And love you well.
Ebuka, please. You are my brother.
Oh, stop saying
Ebuka, bye.
See, we are not just related in any way. That's just the truth.
We are related from the same place.
No.
Maybe not by blood. But yes, we are from the same place, Ebuka. Ebuka, please. Look at you.
Ruby, we are not blood related. Just know that.
I know. No problem. Let's not argue it. Let me talk about you. Ebuka, you look so handsome and rich.
And you're looking fresh.
Like this.
And good. Hmm?
Please.
Sweet girl.
I just came here to look for a job. Came to Osama for job hunt.
Oh, really?
Yes. I was just on my way to my friend's place before you saw me.
Male or female?
Female.
Okay.
Ebuka! See now, see how your car is chilling, no?
You can say that again. Oh my God.
Hey!
You're welcome to my home.
My goodness.
What?
Hey! Ebuka! Hey! Bros!
Come on. What is it?
Do you know that so many people in our community do not know you are this middle?
Yeah, I love to keep it low.
You know? Please. Bros, you can't hide money, you know now. No, it's not possible.
We can say that again.
This is your house.
Yeah, this is my house. Meanwhile, what do I offer you? What do you care for?
Please. Allow me feed my eyes. Oh.
Hello, Mama. How are you? Mama, guess who I saw today? Which movie are you talking about? Mama, is Ruby the girl you've been telling me about?
Mom! Onya! No! Mom!
Get it!
Mom!
Hey! Nah! Nah!
Whoa, you're looking so good.
How are you and you too?
I'm okay. How is everybody?
Everybody's fine.
Oh,
You're welcome.
so what about that?
Where else will he be? He's inside reading newspaper.
So what about Ruby?
Ruby left to Asaba this morning.
Oh, but I thought I would have met her. Oh, Mom, this is Stacy, my fiancée.
Yeah, that's your mom.
Yes.
Jesus Christ. Did I hear you say fiancé? Fiagene. What is this?
Mom.
Okay, Metro no so. What kind of disgrace is this? Eh? Amongst all the beautiful girls in Lagos, did not see any good one. And these old ones that take time where their front and their back.
Mom!
What is mom?
Can you stop? This is my fiancé for calling out loud.
Metrono! Which fiancé? What is this thing, Biko Chinekeni? Bia, what is your name?
My name is Stacy.
Did you hear her name? Stacy. This Indomie generation, we are in the Gen Z now. Eh? I don't even know the species she came from. Do you have intestine? No, I'm sorry to say this, but you're not a white material.
Mom!
You don't stop okay, Jebu, Mom, Guinea. Chinekeni not going to forget you again. Okay, the card. Only got fire!
Mom!
Mom!
You're embarrassing her now!
Don't be embarrassed. Let me tell her the truth. Why are you promoting her? Do you eat at all?
Of course, ma'am.
You don't. Don't lie.
Yeah.
Listen, Kenneth, the only thing I hate is when you lie. Don't tell lies. I'm your mother and I know you. I know the kind of woman you love. Why are you deceiving her?
Mom, can you stop? She's my choice!
Choice is Chowapugono. If for that choice is Chowapugono. How can she be your choice? Eh? Mama, Bia, listen. You cannot marry my son. If you are looking for a way to keep this your tiny... You know, I feel so irritated right now.
Mom, you're embarrassing her.
Well, embarrassing who? You embarrass me by bringing this kind of person to me. Adam Moba. You embarrassing me by bringing someone that looks like this.
Just stop. You see all this trash happening here? I'm not in.
No, calm down. She's joking.
I'm done.
She's joking. Calm down.
Wait,
Mom, can you stop joking?
I'm just leaving.
You won't marry my son. You won't marry my son.
Babe! Mom! This is what just caused.
Shut up and tell me thank you. I saved you. Yes, can I say thank you, man? Come on, say thank you, man.
If I lose this girl, I will not forgive you.
Onye? If you lose which girl? Yeah. Onye na happen button.
Now, if I tell you that Ruby is right here with me in my house, you will believe it. Okay, let me give her the phone so you talk with her.
Hello, ma. Yes, mommy. It's a coincidence, mommy. Bob and I ran into each other on my way to my friend's house. Oh, I'm a bit famished. Mommy, please. Yes, ma. Bye, mommy.
So?
Well, really, I'm hungry. I don't know if I can use your kitchen.
Yes, of course.
I hope you have food stuff.
Oh, come on, enough. This way.
Okay.
Whoa.
Hey.
What is your problem? What is the argument all about? Huh? Were you this fat when I came to your father's house to marry you? Huh? Was it not after you started making babies that you started to put on flesh? Was it not? So what is your problem?
Thank you, Dad. Exactly my point. I saw mommy picture when she was younger and unmarried. She looked just like Stacy.
How did you know you saw her there?
I saw the picture.
Oh, you saw the picture. She was tiny like
Very
this.
tiny.
Tiny like this.
You lie. Roland, stop lying. You're a principal. Please don't lie. I was never like her. I don't understand you. Eh? You've not even seen this girl. Let me tell you. Forget that we used to have our own argument and misunderstanding. If you see how you vomit, the girl does not have intestine.
Mom!
The girl is not presentable. I'm
Not
telling you.
again. Mom, but
is she like that?
Yes!
It's a lie!
Listen, I know the kind of daughter-in-law you're expecting. I'm not choosing for him. Man, for long car, not that
You see Mom, right?
One tiny skinny thing like that.
Where?
Very like patches.
Where is she?
She's in the car.
In the car. Go and bring her.
Roland, if you see this girl, for me to say no, she does not befit to be our daughter-in-law of a principal. Not to talk of me, Caroline.
Are you sure?
Your mom insulted me. Your mom called me all sorts of names. Your mom said I'm so thin. Oh my God.
Come on. I know. I was there. I saw all that. But she doesn't mean it. My mom can be like that sometimes. It's just... Okay, you know what? My coming in here is not for my mom. I need to come and say hi to my dad.
What makes you think I'm gonna do it?
Because he asked me to call you.
I will never do that.
Come on.
When you came to my house, my parents welcomed you with an open arms, without minding your low status. Now it got to my own turn. Your mom turned this whole thing to something else. Your mom called me all sorts of names. Your mom looked at me face to face and said that I'm poor, that I look hungry, that I look hungry. She called my father Chifim poor. No. My dad must hear this.
She doesn't know about your family. She doesn't know anything. Just all I want you to do is come and see my dad. That's all.
Your family is a red flag. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. Take me back to Lagos. Your mom is driving me so crazy.
I'm sorry. You love me, right?
Babe, I love you, but I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. I'm fed up.
Calm down.
Oh, God. This meal is good. Oh, you know, egusi soup and wheat is a good combo.
For real.
It's nice.
For real.
This meal is wonderful. I'm really enjoying it.
I'm happy you are. Every man loves good food.
I love good food. Don't you know this saying that good food is a way to a man's heart?
Man on their stomach.
I don't play with my stomach. I love good food. It's just like, I mean, you're the best chef ever.
Thank you, my brother.
You're welcome. My village girls knows how to cook. Alright. You know, my mother says something that struck me.
What did you say?
She said, have you guys met?
Mommy! Mommy!
Hey,
Mommy!
How are you?
I'm fine, good afternoon.
Ezubonwa. Hey, where are you coming from?
I went to the market to buy food stuff for my mother.
Ezubonwa. So. Did Caroline, your mother, tell you my discussion with her concerning you and Ebuka?
Mommy, what about Ebuka and I?
I told Caroline that I want Ebuka, my son, to marry you.
Well, truth is, she said something like that.
And then what did you say?
I mean, the thing is, it's been a long time since I saw Ebuka. And I don't even know if he will want me.
Says who? Ruby, you are a very beautiful girl. You are educated. You possess all the character traits. Who wouldn't want you? Let me tell you, I want the best for my son, Ebuka.
Mommy, I don't have anything to say for now until I see him. Okay. Also, I think he should be the one telling me this. This matchmaking thing is not my thing, no.
Don't worry. I am the one concerned. I am his mother. So forget who will say. My own opinion matters a lot. I have to go now. As I have said it, that is the way it will be. Ebuka, my son, will marry you.
I never knew you were the one she's been telling me about.
I can tell you for a fact that Mommy likes me a lot from the get-go.
My mom has some thoughts for you, you know. She has a very special place in her heart for you. She can just stop talking about you.
I love her though. I love her. She has the purest of heart.
Do you have a boyfriend?
I used to. But I broke up with him.
What caused the breakup?
I hate lies. He lies a lot.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Imagine telling his friends that he has slept with me when I know that I'm still a virgin.
What? Are you saying you've not done it before? A beautiful girl like you, a Lagos brought up, pretty damsel, like you, with good curves and everything, still a virgin?
Enough of me. Tell me about yourself. Do you have a girlfriend? What was it about her that struck you first time you met her?
Yeah, I have a girl I'm seeing. Yeah, she's pretty well exposed from a rich home. Yeah, her father is He's a renowned politician. Yeah.
Oh, I'm not surprised she's pretty, because I'm sure you have good eyes. Any plans of walking down the aisle with her thing? What?
This meat is very soft and nice.
Hello, Jennifer. I'm sure you must be Jennifer. I've heard a lot about you. Nice meeting you in person.
You must be the new housekeeper.
No. My name is Ruby. Sab's sister.
What sister? The last time I checked, he doesn't have a sister. He's an only child. Who are you and what are you doing in my fiance's house?
Ebuka and I are from the same village. Please sit.
I'll smile.
What would you care for?